Basically, I took out all the fenders, the bolts, stupid little star thing. This way, I could take this whole fender out, and my glow plugs would be right behind this. Right when I take that out, it'll be right there. Supposed to get some help. I wasn't working. It's Sunday, about to be Christmas, and last thing I wanted to do is change glow plugs, and I got the shock too, so I might as well put that in. So here they are. Right, with a nice oil leak going on them. But they're easy to get to right there, right? That popped right off like it was supposed to. Broke just like I was.
So it would.
Yeah. That was the hard to see one behind the shot. So far we've had to break every wire and pull it out with a screwdriver. All four out, all four broke, tool didn't do crap. Yeah, I can see it right here, the harness, where to plug it in, like,
Under all this shit.
I can see it all.
From under?
Yeah, and just route it in front of it, like,
To this pipe.
yeah, the turbo pipe. Yeah, I might be able to, because it routes right in front of the alternator, I might be able to just do it from here and put the new harness in. Goes right under there. The clips in behind. Right behind there. It's hard to get to. About to do with two hands. And here's a new one. I just gotta put that under there. This side, the driver's side, was way harder than the passenger side. There's just too much more stuff down here in between. We did it through the fender the same way. Yeah, right there. There was just a little bit more crap on this side. Made this side twice as long. And just like the other side, they were all breaking. The harness broke on every single one. We actually lost the tool, but the first four broke with the tool, so at that point I screwed the tool. All the glow plugs came out easy themselves. They came out barely torqued in there. Came right out. But I don't know, I think it was I think 235,000 miles on this truck, and to my knowledge they've never been done. So, you know, it's probably a 15-year-old harness at this point. What I'm gonna do basically at this point is unplug that one, plug this one in, put all this back together. I got the batteries disconnected, charged those all up while I was sitting here, and that's pretty much it.